How's it going, YouTube? We're back on red today. And I didn't video it, but I actually got it up and running, up to temperature. Fans were working. The thermostat opened. It got up a little above 180. And then the thermostat opened and it dropped back down to 170. Excuse me. Dropped back down to 170. So, still got to do some tuning on it. I probably really need to just pull the carburetor off and go through the whole thing and clean it really, really good. Because it was not running the best. It was actually running better yesterday than it was today. So, I might have to do that soon. So, I'm down to clean the carburetor, hooking up the trans brake. So, I actually have reverse, because if you know how trans brake works, if you ain't got the button hooked up, you got all forward gears. If you don't know, you have to engage the trans brake in reverse to make the vehicle go backwards. It's just the way it works. Somebody that's more in tune with how the transmission works can tell me that one, but I'm not sure. I do know that whenever you have the trans brake off and you're in first gear, it does power up the forward and reverse solenoids, and that's why it holds it there. I know that much. So anyway, I got that to do. A little bit more wiring on the gauge panel, and bleed the brakes, and listen to this guy start his motorcycle. Thing is about living in a neighborhood. All kinds of stuff's going on. But as you can tell, I'm in a t-shirt. Heck, it's almost 60 degrees out here today in February. A few days ago we had, 2 inches of ice on the ground. That's the Mid-South for you. But anyway, we're going to get going on this, and I'm going to go working on, later on today, I got to go work on my surprise that I'm bringing to y'all tomorrow. Alright, we'll be back.